Let's go. Let's go.
Hi guys, I'm back with a new month and a new color for the season, which is lilac for women and grey for men. So let me take you through the menswear collection first. We have knits, sweats in grey, and we also have hoodie. If you want to go monotone, then you can pair it up with a grey denim, or if you want to amp it up a little, then you can go with a black. Moving forward, we also have the basic polos in a darker shade and a lighter shade of grey. If you are looking for a more formal wear look, then we have a grey check suit, and to match with a woman's wear, we have a little lilac which you can match it up with. To complete your menswear look, we have options in white and grey footwear available for you. As winter is approaching, we would suggest that you should go with high tops. Coming towards western wear, in women's wear, we have a wide range of lilac available for you. For example, a nice corduroy jacket which you could also wear with a denim, and if you want to layer it up, then you can have a basic t-shirt. Moving forward, if you're looking for something denim as I am wearing right now, then we have a lilac denim jacket available, and you can pair up a cargo pant to give a tone-on-tone kind of a feel. You can also add a check shirt just to break it in a little. We also have two light knits available, and the interesting part about them is that they have the cutaway details, and you can easily pair them up with a mid-blue denim to complete your look. If you're looking for something in the activewear section, then we have hoodies and sweats available for you that also come in the lilac range, with a mixture of black and grey to cut the complete lilac mood, and you can pair it up with a grey bottom, as the color tone of lilac and grey goes really well together. We also have dresses available that are very comfortable and stylish at the same time, and also again, like I said, a basic t-shirt that you can pair up with the grey bottom to have a complete active look. We haven't forgotten loungewear, as it still continues to be a trend. We have the basic t-shirts available in a lighter shade and a darker shade. You can either be completely simple without any coat, or you can have a quirky coat on your t-shirt. You can also pair them up with a bold flower print, or if you want to be a little more casual, then you can just wear shorts to go with. We have here available chunky soles, the white loafers, and if you want to keep it a little casual, then you can also opt for the melange grey sandals. As you can see, we have a wide range of Studofest products available in the lavender fragrances. We have shower gel, face creams, hand creams and sanitizers, not to miss the most important part of our lifestyle right now. We also have these cute hang-ons that you can put in your bag and look super cool. Not leaving our nails, we also offer a lilac nail paint from Studio West. As we know that winter is almost here, and we are wearing masks every day, so we should not leave the lip balms away. So we have a nice grape lip balm in again a lilac and a lavender feel. I wouldn't miss a fragrance without stepping out of the house. So we have Studio West LOV Joy fragrance, which is completely floral and it's just amazing. To grab this amazing collection, visit your nearest stores or shop online.